How we doing, guys? Blazing Magnets, and it's Sunday, so I thought we'd go and do a bit of magnet fishing as we were a bit busy yesterday. So we've come out the far side of Birmingham and I thought we'd have a go out of here. So we've driven about an hour to get here, and it's rather chilly today. It's probably tell because I've got a hat on. I've got some glasses because now I've got old, I need to have specs. So we've got Marie, got the Queen with a dodgy knee, and let's go and see what we can find. Let's get magnet fishing.
Blazing Magnets.
No. Obviously someone's been here before us and stacked it all up nice in the trolley, so we'll take that. We'll get rid of that. What you got there? Some coinage. Some more coinage. We did have some bits in here. Bars and stuff, not a lot though. It's a bit dark under here. So, got some bites coming there.
Let's not mess about.
So we come to go out this morning and the Blazing bus was flat. So we've had to put a new battery in that. What's the Queen got there? Box. Oh, it's an old light, back of a light, isn't it?
Light.
It's an old light fitting. What have you got in your big box?
A box.
What is it though? Is it solid?
It's a box.
Open it up, come on. Let's see what's inside the box. Could be a Christmas present in there.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Hang on.
You got your screwdriver, haven't you?
I have
Hey?
indeed.
Marie's fishing. Marie's got something big. A minute. What's she got? Ah, she's got a pole stuck in the dirt.
It's full of mud.
Merry Christmas.
And some jewellery.
Oh, she's got some jewellery, look.
Part of.
Ooh, whatever it is that don't look good.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that? That's a watch, is it? What is it?
I have no idea what that is. See, I told you to open
I
it
am
up.
not touching it. What is it?
I don't know what that is.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Oh,
What do you reckon that is?
what's this? Give it a swish. I might drop it.
No, get it out. Oh. Get it out.
I don't. Does it come out?
Should do, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's
And wash
coming
it
out.
off.
It's coming out.
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a
It's a what?
it's like a DTI, dial test indicator or something like that.
Is it?
Yeah, Oxford
got what?
Precision. I don't know. Or is it? No, because it can't be a watch because it goes up to 90, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
Give it a quick wish wash. It is pretty. I've got my thermals on. Oh, you got a little ball, look. Stick it with your money. And then she's got a little bit of jewellery there as well that she's found. This must be the lucky penny spot. Ooh. Got a bike. Just in case you walk backwards. And he's gone. Very dirty though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bloody hell, I don't want to get wet. Scaffolding. So obviously someone has magnet fished here. And then again, like we say, it always depends on your magnets, doesn't it? Is it sliding along that? What you got? Oh, that's not looking very good.
Blue bag.
And a kickstart, I'd say that is. Off a bolt. Someone's playing Christmas songs. Jesus Christ.
What was that?
You hitting the bridge. That's a kick.
money tree.
That's a kickstart off a bike. There. Tell you what, man, she's raking it in here. You know.
I've got all that with my beast.
That's a kickstart off a bike. By the look of it, yeah. And I don't know what that is.
Spark plug, is it?
Might be the top of a spark plug, yeah. That looks like a roller off something, or is it a lock?
It's like a solenoid, I think.
Solenoid. Oh yeah, it is, yeah, that's right. Or something out of a radio. Bit more money. Flipping out, man. Gonna have a good Christmas this year. Flipping raking it in. Absolutely raking it. Scrape it on the bin, dear, like Mum does.
I don't know, she's chucking it all over it.
Thought you had something massive then. Oh, there's all the silt in it. What's that? It's another bit of jewellery, look.
Charm bracelet.
A bit of a charm bracelet.
I don't know if they're silver.
No, because silver's not magnetic,
Yeah,
is
but
it?
it was stuck to that money. It's stuck to all this money.
Little charm bracelet, look.
Yeah, it's part of that, look. That's what it was.
Hey, that's Marie's Christmas present sorted there. Look, charm bracelet.
You cheapskate.
Yes, I reckon it belonged to that there, look. We've got that one there.
I'll send you a Christmas present back then. You're getting me something cheap.
You said not to get you anything. Oh, no, it was your birthday, wasn't it? Yeah. Black stuff for the younger people. Right, fantastic. Let's pack up now and get the self off home. Oh, we've got a fence stake.
Go, folks.
Off we go. Job done. So, you have to bear with me now because I'm going to have to do it with my hands because
That's it.
that is.
What is that?
I have no idea what that is, you know.
It's got a pipe coming off it.
Yeah,
Oh, it's oily. It smells of petrol. There's money. Look.
don't know. What's the Queen got there? A load of rollers. Is it a load of rollers? Oh, going out with my finger. It's got some idler pulley.
Oh.
By the look of it, something like that. Yeah, it looks like an idler pulley because it's got like the ribs for a rib belt on it. Something like that, I don't know. God only knows.
No idea.
No idea. All the gear, no idea. I hope she's chucking her money on the floor.
Is it minute?
Yeah. She's got that much, she's chucking it away. She's got as much as Maria has on the floor there. A money pile. What's she got now? Ooh, CCTV box, I would say there. I'd imagine. Yeah, I'd imagine that's a CCTV box. Yeah, looks like it, doesn't it? CCTV. Closed circuit television. I don't think that's going to be.
Yeah, plenty of wires going.
Yeah, plenty of. Yeah, it's a CCTV box, isn't it? Hey? Yeah, it's been down there a while, I'd say. Rather rusty, I think the word is you're looking for. She's just. Oh, brilliant. She's about to chuck it and you walk straight across her.
canal last year, and in Worsley, the police were along there, I think. And somebody had pulled up a live grenade.
Yeah, we've had one before.
This has been military. And let me tell you, I wouldn't touch a hand grenade that looks as though it's harmless. You never know.
Well, we
Seriously?
weren't sure about it at first, so obviously it came up with the magnet that it was attached to, and we left it on the ground, and straight away we called the police. And the bomb squad came out and
Maybe,
they
maybe,
detonated
maybe it was you down Bordsley way then.
No, no.
We're not from around here, we're Coventry. But there have been quite a few people that called.
Yeah, but the point is, that thing goes pop.
I know, and that's the risk we take.
You're dead.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Gosh. And ammunition comes
Yeah,
up.
we've had shotguns out here, we've had bullets out.
No. Just had that out. Had to get the grappling hook out and re-get it out there. That's a till. Drawers missing. Top bit's pretty much there, apart from the plastic bit that normally would be. So, and apparently Marie has found a bag of coins as well down here. So let's have a look.
That's why they're brand new.
Boy,
They're in a bag
yeah,
of yellow stuff.
yeah.
And look how shiny they are.
Cool, look at that though. All them coins. So we found all of them, brand new. It's pretty good. So also the Queen has found that, which is a big old padlock and some chain as well. It's a good old bit of chain that is. There's our till. See all the normal rubbish that we get out as well. So we'll just move this bin down here for these to put their rubbish in, and then see what we can find from there on. 2p.
Two.
Quite shiny over this side, look. Quite shiny. Oh, two 2p's she's got, look. Two 2p's. What have you got now? I know. What is that? Tell you what, you didn't want to haul that out on the old fruit.
The old fruit.
Yeah,
Do I look like an old fruit?
that's an old fruit there, look.
Coconut.
That's an old fruit. That'll be in trouble later for that. I don't know what that is. No idea. It's a roller. Let's keep rolling. There's a what? There's a coconut. Right, so we've moved from there over to this side now. Took the trolley. Trolley's down there, we'll get rid of that when we go. And they're going to have a quick go here. Probably ain't going to get about half an hour because it's going to go bloody dark now, look. It's got to be getting on to what, 3 o'clock? Straight on something. Is it rocky? It's quite clear because I can see the tape on your magnet. Still full of metal though. What have we got on there? Something quite shiny. What's that shiny thing? No idea.
Speaker, is it? Headphones?
No,
Yeah, it says something. I don't know.
no idea what that is. Oh, don't know. In the bin. Shut there. You got some jewellery on that, I think.
Hey? Yeah, a bit of a necklace. Some sort of necklace.
Someone's got a drain grey. Oh yeah, look, another necklace. in the bag with the rest of it. More dosh. Bish bash bosh. Some more jewellery on there, I think, isn't there? No? More money. Quid's in. I reckon we must have done a quid today. Oh dear me. Not winning on a bandit, innit? Queen's fishing plastic. More chain. That the same bit of chain you had on your lock, innit? I reckon. Yeah, it is, yeah. It's like square link stuff. Tell you. Load of tosh that is. Yeah, nothing good there. I've moved the bin for them both. And look at that one. That's the second one the Queen's found.
That's a good.
They're proper. They're good locks. Them ones. They're
Yeah, but we haven't got. How do you lock it? You need a special
look,
device.
you need and that bit of the pin comes out.
Yeah.
That's the second one of them we found today. And got the brush on that. Put the glass in there as well.
Oh, I've got a penny. Don't knock it. This one.
This one. She ain't. She's got them here. Look, she's pulling them off her magnet now. It's your new dress. You can wear that for Christmas. Oh Jesus God! You need to get that. You need to get that dry clean for the Christmas special. I think that's a no. I'm not wearing it for the Christmas special. That's why we always fish by a bridge. That's where you get your stuff. What's that? Oh, another one of them massive locks, look. Some Rees have one now, look. Some of that. Yes, that's the third one we've had today.
Are you alright when you're moving about?
See you later. He's found, look.
Look at your coins.
Look how clean they are, look. Tell you what, you don't often get them out of the kit. You seen how clean these are, like, you know, like the ones you found? Bloody hell. Never seen, yeah, tell you what. Hey, we must have left some in our clothes last week, right? They must have gone through the washing machine, and I found them in the dryer. They're pretty clean, actually. There's a what? Where? Where?
Here. Here.
Oh yeah, look. You can't see it on camera. You can see it, yeah. Oh yeah. What have you got there? It's one of them in that trolley. A scaffolding foot, that is. Foot off the scaffolding, isn't it?
Whoa.
Yeah. It's one of them in that trolley.
I've got no strength left.
Oh, you've got 2 feet there, to be perfectly honest. Well, look at it. Double feet. Yeah, you've got 2 of them. Jeez, what happened there? She's got to give you more money. I thought that was a razor blade then. Oh, she's got tin of Quality Street! Just in time for Christmas! I don't
Wow!
I don't like the coffee ones though.
Could have done with one of them.
Oh no. There's that. More scaffold feet. What is that you've got there? The other bit, that.
What's that?
What is that?
Yeah, no, look, that's a gun. That's a gun.
That's a
Look.
gun, that is, isn't it?
Look at that.
Yeah. That's a
That's
barrel.
a gun. You
That's
can
a-
tell it is.
That's a wooden gun.
That's the wooden bit. And
That's a gun.
It's missing its handle. Is it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's a gun.
Yeah,
That's
it's
the
a gun.
bolt.
That's the bolt there. There's the chamber. Look where you put your bullet in.
Wow!
Well done, bro.
Well done, Mary.
Well done, Branny.
Nice.
Do you know? Look at it. Look, not even, not bothered.
Whatever.
Whatever. She's only interested in a 2-piece.
Another day in the office.
Just another day at the office. Now you see the Queen. When you wing it, you're all right.
You winged it.
I just winged it to a bridge.
Oh, all right.
Told you.
Yeah, we like the wing.
You just plan it and it never works.
Yeah, you must keep a constant course. Not wing here,
Right,
wing
where did
there,
I
forget
look?
where we've been.
We wing here, wing there, we wing everywhere. We got someone's cards there.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh man.
2p, that's more exciting.
Flipping up. You got 4 there?
Hang on a minute, Marie. I've got a key.
Flipping heck, man. Someone lost their entire selection of scaffold feet in here, or what?
Jesus Christ. Is somebody trying to make me do a workout here?
Yeah, you have done a workout.
Jesus.
Put that in the cash drawer. So, we're about done for today. We're going to start getting cleaned up. I'm nicely wrapped up warm, even though I am still freezing. So, we've had a good day today. We found, we found a cash drawer. Maurice found a gun. Found some other little intricate bits and bobs that we're going to clean up when we get home, and we'll let you have a look at them. We're going to take that trolley away with us and get rid of all that rubbish. Obviously everything else we've pulled out, we're going to get rid of all of that and all. So it's been quite not a bad day actually. Let me get my hand out of the way. So it'll be bye from me, bye from Marie,
Bye from me.
bye from the Queen,
Blaze on.
blaze on, and we'll see you pretty soon. Hopefully it'll be a bit warmer. See you later guys.